Welcome to the Tata Power Smart Grid Lab, demonstrating technologies of the future for the distribution sector. The Smart Grid Lab has two dimensions. One side we have the consumer experience zone. On the other side we have the technology experience zone. In the consumer experience zone we have got technologies where the customer participation is very high, is deployed even at the consumers' homes. For instance, we have the home automation solution. We have the electric vehicle charging infrastructure, wherein the electric vehicle can be charged at home or at public places as the case may be. Behind the electric vehicle charging infrastructure, we have the solar park. We have got technologies, we have got solutions wherein the consumer put the solar panels on their top of their home and then also use it for their consumption as well as for connecting to the grid. At Tata Power and at the Smart Grid Lab, innovation is a core value. We have, along with Omron, developed a chip which captures different tampering which happens in a meter, a very big problem, in a very effective manner. We have also worked with different technology partners to develop power quality meters and solution for the Indian environment. Here we have got two foundation technology, the geographical information system and the advanced distribution management systems. Both are integrated. Not only they are integrated with each other, but it is integrated with different applications of the utility ecosystem. This helps us to manage the consumer requirement in a very effective manner. The entire network, which includes the assets, the consumer details, as well as the geography is mapped, which helps us to address the operation in a very effective manner. Here we have got two panels. One is on the smart utility architecture and another on the smart metering solution. Both are integrated. This helps us to manage our AT&C losses, the commercial operations in a very effective manner, apart from making sure that the operations also enjoys that efficiency which is supposed to give it to the customer as a part of our service offerings. In here we have got the billing solution, the metering solution and the implementation of the smart grid technology. Essentially here we are demonstrating the RF mesh which has been implemented first time in the country by us, and then offers, and this connects to our entire consumer network. Tata Power had implemented the auto demand response solution which was integrated with the smart meter for the first time in the world. This was connected to around 200 plus commercial and industrial customers wherein they participated in demand response solution. For the first time, the demand response server was connected to the smart meter and the MDM and the demand response server were integrated to offer the solution to the customer in terms of reducing the peak at the network level. This is the battery energy storage system. This particular 10 megawatt battery energy storage system was South Asia's largest and India's first grid connected storage system. This helps to address the different requirements of the customer, including managing in the case of an emergency. It helps to manage the customer's emergency requirement in case of a grid failure. It will also help to restart a generator in case there is a requirement comes in. Along with the efficient operations, understanding the supply and demand situation is also extremely important. This application helps us to manage the supply and demand in a very accurate and an effective manner. The project iElectrics is a partnership with the European Union, entities of France, Schneider, Geco Global and ODT, startup ecosystem of Europe as well as very large companies. This is a unique energy urban island which will help us to manage the urban energy challenges in a very big way. This is demonstrated at a school where the school also participated by allowing us to use their solar panels and integrating into the network. Situated in the first and the second floor of the Smart Grid Lab is the Clean Energy International Incubation Center. It's a private-public partnership. It's a Government of India and Tata Trust, Tata Power, Social Alpha are the partners who run this incubation center. This focuses on multiple dimensions of the clean energy, including climate action, which includes energy access, energy efficiency, renewables, climate action, and covering multiple dimensions like household, transportation, farm, agriculture, industry, buildings. It's an important area for addressing the climate action as well as the clean energy challenges. This is the major lab where we have a automatic PCB milling machine. You can develop the PCBs the way you require in a very automatic manner. And we have here a the graphics printing machine which can help you to develop the branding for the products. And on the other side, we have got two different 3D printing machine. This one is a multicolor PCB machine wherein you can produce from different substrate the prototyping design, and we have another resin based 3D printing which helps you to develop very precision components. Along with that, we also have a PCB or a 3D scanner which helps you to capture the designs and forward it for the printing. These are the different labs of the Clean Energy Incubation Center located at the Smart Grid Lab. What we have here is a 3D printing facility, complete scanning, printing, different testing machines. This enables people to develop various pilots, do the testing, and also validate the product and the configuration. This is the mechanical and the laser lab, wherein you can use the mechanical tool to develop different models and products. You can use the laser cutting machine, again use it for different model making. And then we also have a PCB milling machine for developing PCBs. It is important that as citizens, stakeholders and custodians of the ecosystems, we do smart things today for a greener tomorrow in line with our sustainable development goals. We hope you enjoyed the experience. Thank you.